कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. With my body, my speech, my mind or my sense organs, through my intellect, my sense of self or my natural tendencies, whatever actions I perform, all of it is towards the Supreme Being. By saying Narayanaya, I submit my offering. Om Namo Narayanaya. Anandarupa Bhagavanayite Avatare Prapte Pradipta Bhavadanga Niriyamanaihi Kantivrajairiva Ghana Ghana Mandalairdhyam Avranvati Viruruche Kila Varshavela. O embodiment of bliss, O Lord, as your incarnation happened, emanating from your resplendent body, rays of light as if from thick rain clouds that have covered the sky, didn't the rainy season itself rejoice? Asha sushitala tarasu payodatoyaihi Asha sitapti vivasheshu cha sajjaneshu Naisha karodaya vidhau nishi madhyamayam Kleshapahastri jagatanttvamiha virasihe. Cooling down all the directions with showers of rain, as the pious were overwhelmed with their desires fulfilled, like a moonrise in the middle of the night, O remover of the afflictions of the three worlds, you appeared. Bhalyasprishapi vapusha dadhusha vibhutihi Udyat kirita katakanggadahara bhasa Shankhari varija gada paribhasitena Meghasitena parilesithasuti gehe. Despite being in an infant form, displaying exceptional powers, shining with resplendent crown, bracelets, armlets and garlands, wielding the conch, discus, lotus and mace, beautiful with the darkness of a rain cloud, you shined in the delivery chamber. Vakshasthali sukha nilina vilasi lakshmi mandaksha lakshita kataksha vimoksha bhedaihe Tanmandirasya khalakansa kritama lakshmim Unmarjayanniva virejitha vasudeva. Residing on your chest, immersed in bliss, the resplendent goddess Lakshmi, shedding her gentle glances with her eyes all around in that hall, the inauspiciousness brought about by the cruel Kamsa, as if uprooting it, you shined, O son of Vasudeva. Shauristu dhira muni mandala chetasopi Durasthitam vapurudikshya nijekshanabhyam Anandavashpa pulakodgama gadgadardraha Tushtavadrushti makaranda rasam bhavantam. Vasudeva, on the other hand, for even the minds of the most devoted groups of sages, that which is hard to obtain, your form, gazing upon it with his own eyes, shedding tears of joy, with his throat choking up in that ecstasy, started praising you who is the essence of nectar for one's eyes. Deva prasida parapurushatapavali nirlunadatra samanitra kalavilasin Khedanapakuru kripa gurubhih katakshaihi ityaditena muditena chirannuto bhuho. Be pleased, O Lord, O Supreme Being, the wines of my suffering, O one who has the playful eyes which are like a sword that cuts them all down. Remove my sorrows with your glances, filled with great compassion. With such kinds of words from that delighted one, you were praised for long. Matra cha netra salilastrita gatra valya stotrairabhishtuta gunah karunalayastvam prachina janma yugalam pratibodhyatabhyam matur giradadhithamanushabalavesham. And by the mother who was like a creeper drenched by waters from her eyes, as all your attributes were being praised, O abode of compassion, you making them realize 2 previous lifetimes of theirs, upon your mother's words, took on the appearance of a human child. Tvat preritastadanu nandatanujayate vyatyasamarachayitun sahishura sunuhu tvam hastayoradhritachitta vidharya maryaihi ambhoruhastha kalahansa kishora ramyam. Then, impelled by you, with the daughter of Nanda, in order to swap you, that son of Shurasena took you into his arms, which is realized in the minds of the pious as grasping the beautiful baby swan in the lotus of one's heart. Jata tada pashupasadma niyoga nidra nidra vimudrita mathakrita pauralokam tvat preranat kimiva chitramachetanayiryat dvarai svayam vyaghati sanghatitai sugadham. Then was born in the house of the Lord of Cowherds, Yoga Nidra herself, who made everyone in the city fall into a deep slumber. With your impelling, O what wonder that the inanimate doors flung themselves open, despite being deeply shut. Sheshena bhuri phanavarita varinatha svairam pradarshita patho manidipitena tvan dharayan sakhalu dhanyatamah pratasthe soyam tvamisha mama nashaya roga vegan. And then, as Adishesha, with his many hoods protected against the pouring rain, unobstructed, with the path shown by the glowing jewel on his hood, holding you, didn't that highly fortunate one set out, that you, O Lord, destroy the exertions of my disease.